Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Markup in CSView, then in WiseImage for editing. So before I jump into CSView, I would like to show you the sample I'm gonna use here. So this is the sample, some piping plan. So these samples will be used to show you to put some markup using CSView. As you can see here, I have installed CSView and I also have installed WiseImage. So first of all, I will open CSView and I will click on File and then Open. And now, as you can see, these are the file formats that you can open in CSView and you can study those informations and you can mark up, right? So for now, we are going to use the tip file, the piping plan. So I'll click on OK. And the piping plan is opened in NanoCAD now. And now I can put some instructions. So I will start from one end and I will zoom to the locations where I need to put the instructions. So here, so now here I can use different type of marker, as you can see here. So for instance, if I choose these tools, this is for freehand markup. So now maybe here, this pipe, so I'll click somewhere and I will hover the mouse. So I will go here and that's all. I'll click OK. And before I go to the instructions, I would like to increase the line weight. I will make it something around 1.5. So this is okay now. So this is the pipe. I would like to give some instructions for the users. And now I can put some text. So I can click one and I can say this is the pipe. And I will say that this pipe. So put the pipe under ground. So I'm giving some instructions to put the pipe under the ground. So I'm okay and then I will say okay. So now I can see that the instruction is here. It says that we need to put the pipe inside the ground. So now if I want to change the text height, so I need to select it and then I can go to text. And now I can see the text height. So maybe I can make it something 3. So this is okay. So I have one instructions here. And I will move to some other part. So maybe randomly we can say we need to extend the pipe lines. So maybe we can put some other instructions here. So I'll click that and I will set the weight something maybe 1 here, and then I should be able to put some instructions. So here I'm saying that extend the pipes. So I have one more instruction that says that we need to extend the pipes. It may not be relevant, but I'm just putting some markup to show you how it works. Maybe one more. So maybe we can cloud this entire vessels here. So we will take this again, and this is my visuals. And again, we can change the weight. So maybe this time is 1 again. So this is my vessels. And now I can put some instructions. So maybe we can say that we need to check the system. And that's all. Right? So I have now instructions in CSView. So people who are using CSView, they will be able to put instructions on the drawing for checking purposes. So they will check the entire drawing and give their instructions in the form of markup in CSView. So when the markup is done, they can close the drawing. The moment they will click close, it says now that do you want to save the markup? And I'm saying yes, I would like to save the markup. I will save it. The moment I click on yes, it will be closed. Now if I go to the source directory, I have these samples, and now I have a new files with the extension of .csrl. So this is the redlining. So now if I double click on this file, so you won't be able to find any disturbance on the original drawing. So there is no markup at all. So the original source drawing is okay. So if I open the same drawing in CSView now, so I'll be able to find the instruction, the markup, because the markup file is there in the same directory. Again, you can see the markup here. These are the markup, right? Somehow, if you delete either one of this, only that specific contents will be shown in CSView, right? So now I have the instruction in the form of .csrl, and I have the original file. And now the peoples who will be update or who will be followed all the instructions given on this drawing in WiseImage for editing. So let's go to WiseImage now. So I'll be clicking on WiseImage 21. So it will be opened. There you go. So now we can go to File, and then we can click Open, and we will be opening the same piping plan, right? So I can select, and then I can click on Open. So now, as a WiseImage user, I can see all the instructions that is there in the file. So basically, this instruction is not integral part of WiseImage or CSView. This is a separate file of .csrl. So I can see the instruction here clearly in WiseImage. It says that I need to extend the pipe. I can do it easily in WiseImage. So basically, all I need to select the pipe, and I need to increase the length of the pipe, maybe up until this. So according to the instructions, I can update the pipes. I can extend the pipes. So maybe up until this, and same as this pipe. So I need to drag the pipe up until to this line. So that's it. So I have nothing to do with the instructions I had from the other team, the checking team. So I will not be able to do anything with that instructions, because the instructions were given by the other team, by the checking team. As per the instructions, I can update. I can easily update, right? Same as I can make this pipe. So it says that I need to put the pipe underground. So that means this pipe, this will be hidden. So I can go and I can say it will be underground. So it will be hidden. So now I updated this pipe, and now I would like to turn the markup up for a while to view how I'm doing. So for that, you can click either on this button. So if I click on this, so the markup will be hidden. And again, if I click back, the markup will be shown, right? So this is the switch. And you can access the same functions from View menu. So this is the tool. If I click, I will be able to find the markup again. So this is how I can find the markup. So I updated the files, and here as well, if I click, the markup will be gone. And if I click back, the markup will be shown again. So now I can click on save. So the file is saved now. So all the instructions were updated, right? This pipe is now hidden, and these pipes were extended. So now if I close things, and now as I'm done with the update, so I don't need this CSRL file anymore. So now if I go back to WiseImage, and then I can open the file. So now I have all the updates, right? So I have all the updates as instructed, but I have no CSRL markup, right? So there is no more markup. Only I updated the source file, and this files now I can send to the checking department again for their review, right? So I'll close here, and I will, at some point, if you find that you need the CSRL as well, so I will restore the CSRL so that the people who are in the checking department, they can find the CSRL. But the CSRL file should be there on their system, so it may not be required send the CSRL file to them. So I'll click on the same file, and I will open that file in CSView. And now, as you can see, things were updated, and wherever we had the instructions, the update are there and the instructions. So I'll close this, and now finally you can delete the CSRL, and that's all. So this is how it works. You have things in CSView, you can use markup, and then you can go to WiseImage, and then you can edit, and then you can resubmit the file to the checking departments. That's all for today. See you next time.